Hey, if your Raycast command is not working, yeah, like you press the shortcut and nothing happens, that can be really frustrating. But don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. All right, first, open Raycast settings and check your hotkey. Sometimes it gets changed or doesn't save properly, so make sure it's set correctly. Next, check for shortcut conflicts. If another app is using the same shortcut, Raycast won't respond. So go into your Mac keyboard settings and fix any duplicates. Now, restart Raycast. Even if it looks closed, it might still be running in the background. Just force quit it and open it again. After that, check accessibility permissions. Raycast needs this to detect your keyboard shortcut, so make sure it's enabled in your system settings. If it's still not working, yeah, restart your Mac. It sounds simple, but it can fix a lot of hidden issues. Also, make sure Raycast is updated. Outdated versions can cause shortcut problems, and if nothing works, just reinstall Raycast. This resets everything and usually fixes the issue. So yeah, one of these steps should get your Raycast command working again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.